The BodyMe bar and bites are tasty and convenient organic vegan protein snacks. An easy protein boost when on the go, pre or post workout, or simply just to fill a gap. Helping you feel fuller for longer, every digestible 60-gram bar or 40-gram serving of bites contains 27% plant protein and uses our unique 3-protein blend. A perfect and complete ratio of organic pea, sprouted brown rice and hemp seed proteins with all essential amino acids. And we keep the ingredients simple and organic, so no added nonsense, no artificial fillers, binders, preservatives or sweeteners. Just a naturally occurring sweetness and a soft, chewy texture. BodyMe bars and bites are processed raw, are cold pressed and never baked to help keep those vital nutrients intact for maximum impact. And they're available in 5 flavors: chia vanilla, cacao orange, cacao mint, maca cinnamon and beetroot berry, all free from gluten and GMOs. BodyMe is not just a brand, we actually make, pack and ship all of your products so you get consistent care and attention throughout the whole journey with us. And we make everything in small batches so you get the freshest products with the longest shelf life and best prices. I'm confident you'll love our ethical bars and bites. Check out the reviews, give them a try and thank you for watching.